It's okay. You're doing good.
Oh, good baby. Come on.
It's okay.
Good boy.
Are you tuckered out now? It's okay. Take your time.
That's very cool. Oh my goodness, you've almost turned around in a circle. You're turning around in a circle.
You can do it. It's okay. You got it.
You can do it. Hi, baby. Hi, Cameron. You can do it.
Just take a breath. You're getting there.
Too bad we didn't have that video when you farted.
It's okay. Chester, he can do it.
I'm just sniffing.
It's okay. You can get it. Just keep going. Lift your head up.
Want me to get him?
Chester. You okay? You alright? Move your head over here. Chester, get out of his butt. It's okay. Good boy. You're doing good. Daddy said you weren't going to like it, but you got to do it.
Now you're getting mad.
Let me do that angry look. He's an angry look.
Oh, Mark's calling.
Okay. Oh, now you quit crying because Papa Mark's on the phone?
Hello.